Wiggles and giggles and wiggles and giggles and wiggles and giggles and wiggles and giggles. Come here. Here we go. Wiggles and giggles and 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 wiggles and giggles. Wiggles and giggles and wiggles and giggles. Who's the belly? Who's the belly? What? Wiggles and giggles and wiggles and giggles. Oh. What? Are you getting tired now? Huh? Yeah. Oh, let's get Mommy out of the way. What's that baby doing? You got your shirt on from Uncle Robbie. What's that funny face? What's that funny face? Who's the giggler and the wiggler? Is that where you're just going to sit there and kick? Woo! Atlee's 3 months old tomorrow. Yep, Atlee West is 3 months old tomorrow. What? What are you doing? Talking? You got something to say? You got something to say? What's wrong? Oh, yeah? Yeah? Giggles and wiggles? Jeez, you're all excited. Giggles and wiggles. Oh. You goofball. Should we go word and say hi? Whoa! There's a baby. There's a baby. Yay! Let's see what he does. Or is he just gonna lay here and look around? Hi, Atlee West. Your bottoms aren't buttoned. Hi. Yeah. Did you forget how to roll over? Did you forget how to roll over and how to grab your toes? Yeah. You got a lot to say. What? Uh-oh, what's wrong? What's wrong? What's that noise? Somebody's getting sleepy. What are you looking at? The fan?